elephant variations. When we fold forward, sometimes we can cross the elbows. We can also try it with straighter arms and actually maybe closer legs so that the arms can swing a little bit more, as well as interlocking the fingers behind the head is a great one as well. And then that can come in many forms, whether you wrap your hands, your elbows to the front, or keep the elbows open, straightening out the spine. I'll go ahead and do that one, interlocking the fingers. We're actually going to inhale into this one from the top side. Exhale, preparing to inhale. And keeping the hands behind the head and going for that first forward fold, it engages more core strength into that action. And then with the hands at the base of the head, you can actually give yourself a little bit of traction as you swing around. So take your time with larger movements. They can start to move things around in a way that is definitely close to being chiropractic. So you definitely want to be warmed up before you move things too quickly.